Welcome back, guys. CryptoFollow channel. Today I would like to show you just local updates for ICP, just weekly and the daily time frame. Also, we will double check the zone of interest on the 4-hour time frame for potential entry in the next few weeks. Let's dive in. All right, guys. My zone of interest where I would like to see ICP is, of course, on the 417. I wish to see this sweep, and entry around $4. Most likely they will not drop ICP to $4 because we trade a long-term period since March, end of March, 25 in this range, and round numbers. So rare the market makers dump the price to round numbers because you know the logic of entry. A lot of limit orders now stay at $4, $3.99, for example. So we over the 154 days, imagine almost half year, we just in the range. So basically this liquidity pull down. Next one, I add my alert. BTC, for example, will drop to 105K, 100, or imagine the panic on the market if the BTC will drop under 100K. It will be just a massive sell-off. A lot of people will cut even their losses, cut the positions, you know, close all positions with realized losses. So it's going to be just massive sales if we'll drop under 100K. I'm not sure it will happen now, but it's possible. It's possible. For ICP, of course, the potential drop. So we already swept this high, low. I mean, so the next step is 11% down. 429 and 4 sweep, for example, if we not reach exactly the $4, for example, 15% down possible. That's why let's double check with indicator side what's going on now. So basically this is just on a middle line on ADZ. I can't say it's a crazy accumulation zone. So the better one was here in June. So guys, I'm not recommended to try the cat the knives because, for example, if you trade with even with the second leverage, guys, it's 30% down. So imagine with the 10x, it's over the liquidations, guys. So 10% down with 10x, it's your liquidation position. So 433 exactly sweep of that low, it's a liquidation. And you know, the problem can be if you start open longs now, it's kind of risky long. Maybe it will play now, we can't know. Here and here you will add a margin, and what if after that we will see another drop from here. For your entry will be 455, and we'll see another 10% down with 10x leverage. So you'll get a liquidation at 2 times bigger. That's why, guys, no rush. Just better follow your main plan. My main plan only buy the ICP 432, more than comfortable will be for the spot position, and entries for the futures I will start looking only if we'll sweep this low. I will add alerts a little bit lower here. On the daily, it's just a little bit lower under the middle line. So I don't think so that $20 I guess would be in at the top. 2098, it's end of cycle for the ICP. No, yes. Now this is just a downtrend structure since March 2024, and sooner or later would be good to see the last sell off and start to cover back. So that's it, guys. More than real to see 1557, $21. I'm more than sure we will see that target sooner or later, guys. If we will not see this one in $20.90, it's the top of the top for the ICP. We need to write to all centralized exchanges. They need to delete this scam. All right, it's just jokes. So the direction, guys, no signal for accumulation. The last one signal for accumulation being in April 25 on the daily time frame. That's why, guys, just better wait. Just better wait next 2 weeks. Calm down, just go take a touch the grass, you know, and spend time with your family. What is good on the daily? Here, this is a capitulation, and usually it's okay. Time to buy internet computer to be listed on bullish, guys. It's not what is bullish. It's the exchange or what it is. What this is not like crazy fundamental news for this stock. No, It's not even speculation news. Price absolutely not react at all. 12 time frame also, it's a capitulation, but a weekly and a weekly capitulation. Wow, it's a good one. It's a good one. So guys, usually it's a great time for accumulation, but the problem is we just trade in range. The same story being with a link, so we trade a long-term period in the range, and after that, we sold the link out over than 100%. So how long we can trade in this range? I guess till 15 September. I market that zone till here. So just 1, 2, 3 weeks more. 3 weeks more. So just wait, guys. Better just wait. Next target, I mark is here. It's 771. It's the beginning of the weekly gap. 771, 877. It's the next target for the ICP. If we invert the scale, I usually recommend you to do this one. Do you believe we go straight forward to sweep the $2.78 historical all-time low? I don't think so. Possible, yes. But most likely, I think would be good to see this move. And after that, the roll will be straightforward like this one. Some people write in the comments, so $89, it's too much for ICP. I don't think so. I'm not a fan of ICP. I'm not a ICP army or so. No, I just trade these assets. But I think just like speculation, it's possible to see the 89, 40, 89. So market mood, guys, on the weekly, also capitulation, monthly time frame, even the monthly time frame, guys, imagine since May 5, we're in capitulation zone. The candles, I can't say something bearish or the bullish for the candles. This is closed the monthly gap. Next one is only under like 341. So should we drop to 360 through 341? I don't think so. Just to be honest, I don't think so. The same way we can think about the 3 cents, and here the next target is here, this one and this gap. That's why, guys, the trades works in both way. Monthly in the capitulation zone, so nobody care at all about ICP. That's why it's usually bullish for the tokens. Money power, guys, I'm still waiting. No money inflow. The last one money inflow been here in August, at the beginning of August, at 485. Now we almost at the same level, but without any new money inflow. That's the point why I use indicator set and combine it with my strategy, with analysis, because it's giving me the more data, for analysis here. Money inflow, we bounce, not break the structure high, and going down without any, no money inflow, nothing. That's why better wait just at least a few days. Even here, even 12 time frame, guys. Money in, some bounces, no money in. We at the bottom, but without any money inflow. So at least, guys, wait end of Sunday, and check how BTC CMA will open in Monday, and after that take a decision. 12 time frame here, one buy in April, only distribution sales. At least even on the 12 time frame daily. Same story. Sell, no signal to buy. 4 hour time frame. The last one was here, only sales. So let's add alerts to take profit. Trade on. I need to see the take profit when the sales will off. Add it, so probably I will start looking to open position. Yes, here's liquidity pool. Take a look on 4 hour time frame. Horizontal line here. So under this one, it's some stop losses. You have to understand the logic, right? So this is a lot of stop losses, still in profit. So to liquidate that, guys, here, they still in profit. Like it's hard to say what they leverage to use, but to dump, we need to drop the price 5%. It's not a big deal. 460, guys, come on. So logical entry, of course, is here, for example. Stop loss under 10%, liquidation with a 10x leverage. Not a good one. When you need to use, at least if you want to try to cut the knives at 461, you need to use at least 5x leverage or 3x to not get a liquidation. Anyway, at 411, you will be like with a 5x leverage, 50% down. Right. So, but potential, of course, it's so high. So high. It's anyway, just the sweep of that liquidity pools. Above also a lot of stop losses. So where we leave it since March 25, 40%. So basically, guys, on risk ratio, I wish to see another one. Drop and potential entries. I don't know, 440, 420, 411. 3 levels for buys. Trade on, I showed you, take profit, guys, the last indicator, the most important for us. So 4 hour time frame, it's not an option to use it for entries. The best case, guys, of course, it's a test of the buy lines. 12 hour time frame now at 362, like you can see, we're just in the middle. Daily, it's 355. Hard to believe, so the ICP should drop to 355, but possible. I will add alerts also for that one. Buy line on the daily one. But weekly, we saw on the radar, guys. That's the point why one the last hope, why probably we will not drop to that low, to 365. Because on the weekly time frame, I wish to see the 450, maybe a little bit lower, like 440 and higher. We spent a lot of time, even more, because here, from the first entries, 175 days, almost over than half year, we just spent in the one range, inside the range of the buy line and the fundamental value. So the whales accumulate. You can open the chart of the link and take a look. The next step on the weekly, it will be 1196 and 1353. So believe it or not, but we're going to test that levels. Now, like this one, or I don't know, or with this move. So just a matter of time, guys. So like conclusion, just better wait next maybe the 5 even days and mark the alerts. So just add alerts and just wait. And after that, close to some of that levels, you need to take a decision, take an action or not. Not take an action, it's also an action. So guys, I hope you like this video. Write us in a comment what you think about a local position for ICP now. If you like to trade with my customer request, I will show it in this video. Just write me a DM. Don't forget, join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.